Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Amatya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 11th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, relay module, gas sensor, fan, breadboard, jumper wires, and battery with battery holder and buzzer. I have connected gas sensor with ESP32, VCC with VIN, GND with GND, analog out pin with GPIO34. Then I have connected relay module with ESP32, VCC with VIN, GND with GND, in pin with GPIO18. Then I have connected buzzer with ESP32, positive pin with GPIO19, negative pin with GND. I have connected fan, battery and relay module. Battery positive with relay COM common, relay and O with fan red wire positive normal open, fan black wire with battery negative direct connection. I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I will give the code in description. So let's see the code. In line number 6, I chose 600 threshold because my gas sensor sends 400 above gases in my room. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. You can check in serial monitor for your gas sensitivity of your room. Now you can see when I expose the gas to gas sensor, the buzzer makes sound and fan turns on continuously. Now I will show you the demonstration again. Thank you for watching my video and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.